So I will be taking this from this, and this is after. So hello everyone, today I will be making a mirror out of this brass plate. As you can see, it's like scratched up, and I will be doing that by sanding it, starting from 320 sand grit paper, going up to 3000. After that I will be polishing that with a white compound, and I will be using my Dremel. It's a 4000 series, and let's start. So this process will start as a wet, it will be a wet sanding, and I want to a dry sanding because when I tried it at first to see how it's gonna work, it started filling the ports in the sandpaper with the brass particles, and it made it smooth, so it's not scratching the brass anymore. So the wet sanding just prevent that from happening. So let's start now. I'm just using normal water, not with anything else. So if you see this sandpaper, I used it at first, it was like 1000 grit, and if you see that, all of that is like normal sandpaper, but if you feel it, it's like so smooth. And if you just pour some water on it and just rub it a bit, you will see that like it's not like, it's just the brass particle was like making the sandpaper so smooth that it can't sand anything anymore. So sanding it with water is just helping it a lot. So I just finished this 1500 and it's looking good actually. I don't know if you it's possible to see like it's already like you kind of can see something like, and I didn't polish anything or like, and when I will do like the 2000 you will see much more even. I just finished the 2000, so this is how it looks. Like, don't know. Like I think you can see much better. Let me just adjust the angle. Like if you can see, like now it's like fine to like start polishing, but I will just go the extra step and do the 2500 and 3000. So now you can see like a bit of far objects, and you can even see like that's 2500, and it's really like if I polish it now it's just gonna be perfect, but I'll just go to the 3000 now. So I finished polishing it now, and I think even you can see me now, like much clearer. You can see things. And by the way, I'm working in my apartment, so that's why I'm using like everything's like hand by hand, or like I don't have that heavy machines that I can use, or like sander or so. Like in this angle you can't see any of the scratches, and it's like perfect mirror. And this is without the polishing, which is like I'll just be starting the polishing now. So as I said, the polishing will be with the white polishing compound, and I will be using my Dremel, which is like more convenient. I could use like a microfiber cloth and do it by hand, but Dremel is much faster. Let me just close the door so I won't make noises. By the way, it's at the middle of the night, so that's why I don't want to make any noises. So I'll be taking let's make it a bit interesting. I will put a tape between the two of the two sides, so to see it before and after. Just a second. So here's the tape. So I'll be polishing this side first, and we'll compare it to the other side to see like how the polishing like made a difference. So this is a buffing cloth. So let's remove the tape. Got it. So if you can see, this is after polishing this. Like it's I need now to buff it a bit, and we'll see how the result's gonna be. So this is after I finished. If you can see how beautiful it looks. I will bring these butterflies so you can. I think I need to clean the lens a bit. Just like things. Yeah. I know it's still a bit scratched up. I tried. Like there's these swords, but I couldn't get out. I don't know. I do a bit more research. But if you see, like, you can see a lot of details now. I don't know if you will be. So if you see now, it's like it will reflect things so beautifully. And like to show that it shows a bit more like details or words. Let me adjust the angle and zoom in a bit so you can read things, even I think if it was a bit far away. So it's like the mirror is like really good, but like it need that final polish, so no swirls or anything like that. Like it's really beautiful. I need just to figure out how to get rid of these. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you have any suggestion how I can remove these words, please leave them in the comment section down below. And thank you for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.